everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn here down at the grotto. And we have 3 goldfish down here swimming around eating algae and mosquitoes like they usually do. And we got 3 I think in here. There might be more up further though. Here's one, and there's a little black one down here, and two gold ones. They're hiding under here for the shade because it's so hot today. But glad to see that there's a couple down here that made it after all the rain after all. Well, green damselfly right here, real pretty, fluttering around. The I think dragonflies and damselflies, they like to mate around the water, and I believe they lay their eggs near the water, but they live in the ground. I'm not quite sure about that, but they like it near the water also here with the goldfish and frogs. And there's my little puppy, Sweetie, too. God bless. I hope you all enjoy. Jesus loves you.